Hi, this is Justin Costello with MarineMax, Pompano Beach. Going to give you a walkthrough tour of a 2020 Boston Whaler 420 Outrage. It's got a beautiful blue hull, bow tow eye. Let's take a look. This boat's equipped with quad white Mercury Verado 400s with joystick piloting. Boat flies. Let's step aboard so I can kind of show you all the options that she has. Again, it's Justin, MarineMax, Pompano Beach. Let's step aboard and show you the options. As we enter to the starboard side, aft, you'll notice an enormous cockpit here, which offers a lot of real estate for fishing or cruising. We can fold out the aft bench seat and comfortably fit 3 or 4 adults right back there on it. Also have a secondary live well in the port stern. Now as we look forward, 3 tackle storage drawers, a large insulated live bait well, and an electric Canyon cooktop grill, as well here is a 12-volt refrigerator. It's great. It's with the seat out here, a deploy and shade that comes right from the hardtop. This is a really great social area right by the dive door. And the best feature about this is what I'll show you here now. I'm going to open the seat up and show you how we have a full row of forward-facing rear seats. All right, we've transitioned the seat. So we put the summer kitchen away, and now look at this. Large, comfortable seat, looking forward, right, covered under the hard top, air conditioning down at our feet. Really great place for your passengers to travel in comfort. What I love about this too, 6 to 7 adults comfortably cruising forward under a hard top in climate controlled area, and then the exterior seats will spin and give a great conversation to each other. Captain is right on the center line. We have triple Axiom XL 16-inch screens, large 7-inch vessel view display, automatic trim tab system, of course your joystick piloting system, skyhook autopilot, large full side glass opening vent hatch. As we work our way down into the cabin, you're going to notice how wide this walkway is and how large the steps are. Very easy and comfortable to get down into this cabin on the Boston Whaler 420 Outrage. As it's currently set up, the filler cushion in and the table is low, which will convert to a berth. You can put the high leg in on the table, transition it up, and to have this just be a dinette area if you wish. We got plenty of headroom up here. Look at the skylights. We do have a galley here with another 12-volt refrigerator, an insulated sink, and we also have a microwave. Perfect for an overnight, as well as flat screen television. This also slides out here and pulls out to a secondary berth. Onto the head, we have an electric flushing toilet, hand basin, and then a rain shower from above. Let's work our way forward so I can show you the bow of the boat. And you're going to notice how wide the walkways are. There's speakers everywhere, storage everywhere in the side of the gunnels. And one thing I really want to point out is this lounger is well below the decks, only about 12 inches off the deck. So your passengers here could comfortably cruise while you're underway. The heads are far away from the windshield, so you're not going to hit the windshield. And the captain has a clear line of sight directly over the people's heads, right over the bow on a nice running angle. We got a fiberglass table here with a teak inlay on the top. This converts down into a sun pad. We also have 2 more forward-facing seats just like this. Radio controls, table controls. Boat is equipped with radar, spotlight, everything you need to be on the water. Again, it's Justin Costello with MarineMax in Pompano Beach. This is a 2020 Boston Whaler 420 Outrage, Seakeeper stabilized, triple 16-inch screens, diesel generator, and quad Mercury Verados. Give me a call, 954-633-2070.